Alright, so we're back again fixing the stains. Got a loose screen. Let's tighten this thing up. Uh-oh. Make sure we don't rip this thing. Oh, this one's already ripped. Come on. There we go. Squeeze this back in. So we can keep the mice out, man, if the screen's not tight. There we go. So again, we've asked our landlord if he can fix these, but he doesn't want to fix anything. There we go. Thing pops out. That's good. All right. See that? It's kind of ripping right there. You can always just put a little silicone on this thing. Keep it from opening some more. Silicone's great for everything, especially you get those pets that are always scratching your screen. There we go. Remember, use what you have, because as the landlord says, I'm not fixing that. It's pretty common too, but they want their rent on time, but they never want to fix anything. All right. Look at that. That thing's sealed up. I think over here too is starting to rip. It's good to go. A little bit here. There you go. It'll dry up nice and tight. That's it. We're all set.